Test mic 1 2 1 2 test. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Hi everyone, this is Oscar here again from Liwaliw Travel, guys. As you all know, natapos na natin yung complete project natin about renovating interior color of the Liwaliw motorhome, no? So far, halos natapos natin. Actually, hindi ko nga naisama ito, yung kinulayan namin ng black color tong decks natin para mas maganda yung looks niya. Regarding dun sa ating plan about the podcast na we are planning to ibalik, no, dito sa Liwaliw Motorhome Canada Tour, no, 2025. Actually, itong plano namin na i-share sa inyo about yung pinost namin before about podcasting, which is entitled Samut-Sari with Oscar and Reynold. So basically, this podcasting, ginagawa na namin to before, no, dun sa aming digital marketing before nung mga previous pa naming mga transaction sa aming business with also Reynolds sa aming mga networking, no. So naisipan namin actually this is my idea, no. This recording I'm doing is actually an impromptu, no, with because kasi ganito, no, hindi ako nag-i-script, no, when I try to share content sa ating mga viewers, sa mga nanonood sa atin, sa mga nakikinig and mga followers natin sa all our social media platform, no. So we just comes out natural, no, kung kami ay kung ako ay nag-share ng value, no. So yung makikita nyo, mapapansin nyo, we're getting ready, no, dito sa setup ng podcast Samut-Sari. Inaayos natin, no, ngayon itong office motorhome. So makikita nyo dito sa kabilang side dito, no, sa table na to, although maliit lang kasi nga this is a motorhome, right, office. And part of the plan that we have is we're gonna have a Canada tour, diba, as mentioned. And if ever we could ever get chance to go wider through the US, that'll be better, no. So this is all about Liwaliw Travels, no, yung ginagawa natin sa ating way of how we market, no, organically sa ating business na travel and tours. And it made up my mind na magdagdag ng something na pwede nating ma-share sa ating mga viewers, sa ating mga kababayan na especially nandirito or kahit saan panig ng mundo man sila nandoon, no. Kasi the idea of the Samut-Sari podcasting is to have a one day at least na pwede kaming mag-share ng mga usapin na naaayon sa pagbibusiness, entrepreneurship, no, side gig, and marami pang ibang bagay na pwede naming value na ma-share sa ating mga viewers. So since we are doing this for a long time with my partner co-host Reynold Bascos, he is from San Francisco, California, no, and we've been doing this online, digital. So why would not come up with something that is it's not only trending, no, sa ngayon parang the way of life yung nagkakaroon ka ng podcast or yung usapin tungkol sa especially pag meron kang business, no. So bali pumasok sa atin yung idea na magkaroon ng session at least one day while we are doing the Canada Tour Liwaliw Travels, no. So I think that is a great idea. What we are planning is to have a kind of like kung sino yung mga magkaka-interest na mag-share ng knowledge nila, yung mga ibang kababayan natin na nasa iba't ibang parte rin ng Canada na nagbi-business o nagninegosyo. Pwede natin pag-usapan between the table here through podcasting. I think that's a good idea, no? Yung may iikutan natin na mga viewers or business owner na they can jam with us. They can also collaborate with us, talking about anything. Samut-sari. Samut-sari is actually means variety. So, marami na ibig sabihin yun, no? It could be from business or anything, right? A variety. So, that is the idea na nag-come up itong podcasting sa ating gagawin. Along with our travel dito sa Liwaliw Office Motorhome. So, we are really excited and we want to share value to our viewers. Since nakikita nyo ako, madalas na ako nagpo-post, no? Sa aking social media, no? It's also our way of how we market organically. So, marami kayong mapupulot sa Samut-Sari kasi it will also teach you how to do marketing, no? Especially online, digital, and even trying to get an organic audience, no? So, ini-invite ko yung mga entrepreneur, yung mga nagbi-business dito sa buong Canada na collaborate with us. It's great to collaborate sa mga businesses para magkaroon tayo ng exposure, lumaki, right? And also, with that, we can somehow, hindi natin masabi, baka meron tayong mga kababayan dyan na gusto rin mag-start ng kanilang negosyo. At least, makapag-share tayo ng tips, no? And value sa kanila, no? Somehow. And Canada is a great place to start. Hindi lang sa pagiging empleyado, but I'm not encouraging everyone because business is not for everyone, right? So, but somehow we give them we can give them parang encouragement, no? Somehow na pwede rin mag-business dito. Especially nowadays, marami ng kababayan natin Pilipino na nagbi-business dito sa Canada, no? So, yun, we invite you to support the podcasting Samut-Sari with Oscar and Reynold sa gagawin namin sa mga susunod na araw. I need to get ready here. See you all later. Saan man tayo mapadpad dito sa buong Canada. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Ciao. Mabuhay.